Alright, YouTube, man. What it is what Zane. I'm back with another video today. Y'all might see me in the same clothes, same day, different car meet. We on it. But the people who did the last car meet, we went picked up another meet, so we're here now. So I'm gonna show y'all this footage. We're gonna get right into it.
Let's get back black! Oh my God! Working. What I'm talking about? What's this? You better. Next week, quick. Shit, next week coming quick. Hey, I need to holler at you too. Before we leave. This little Z is clean.
Too little, but it's clean.
It's little, yeah, but I like it.
Something different. Something you won't see every day. 350Z. Too little. I couldn't fit in different year model. Literally.
Probably. I don't know enough about it.
Nope.
350 is the old one, 370 is the new one. This one here is just nothing. So how you get in and out of that? That's too low.
You gotta drop and duck and roll.
I'm finna pull my nuts up just to get into the car. So punish and slide. Did you see that? That's Transformers. The Decepticon. Oh, what the? Oh, cute.
Shorty, you're my angel. You're my darling angel.
Hey,
That's my song, bro.
well, all right. Did y'all exchange numbers or something?
I've been at it now. I always text him and call him.
That's why, because he had car mix. That's why. That is a real supercharger there, brother. They make their own supercharger.
It's nice.
And they tune their own, every car they put their supercharger on. And it's a super snack.
Yeah, he running to something.
I wouldn't be racing. I wouldn't, bro. Just because I know what's under that hood now.
Yep. But at the end, though, you might race it, but Shelby, nah.
Listen, look how I walked off. What we doing?
He can have that one.
Yes, sir. I think I'll race your daddy now just because he ain't called in a year. I think I'll blow his door.
He probably won't. He do show calls.
I can tell.
It's nice.
Oh, these boys. Huh? Hey, cover.
Not playing no games. I like the detail on that. The intake.
See the Shelby signature?
Bad little motherfucker.
Yeah.
Shelby. Chrome rims. Oh, they're in the same boat. Him in that block.
No, hell no, it's a GT500.
That's what his is.
It is a GT500?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you know about
Bash.
Let me do it easy. Okay. So your badge look like goddamn tire for a tricycle. You don't race it, okay?
Nope.
Nobody raced it. That's stupid.
That one.
I still ain't, because it looks like a tricycle wheel. California special. This is Texas, brother. Not doing it.
Oh no, we
It's
ain't,
made for the heat. That's what that means.
we ain't doing that.
Some slicks back here. Slow ball.
He track ready.
Yeah, yeah. When they got drag stickers on their cars, they do some shit.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you got skinny? Really? Yeah, you got 40.
I didn't realize that sleeper kit was like that, Fred. You didn't realize that crazy airbox.
No, they put some money on these cars. Stock line. That's a stock rate.
Like the part of the bar going
These boys came like a track rich.
That's gonna be dangerous tonight.
Say anything.
Done, bro. My brakes bad. You felt it?
Ain't it your rotors?
It's a combination of something. They all coming out this week, bro. Just wait. I got my rotors. I'm just waiting on the pass gear.
Yeah.
You can't just go buy them.
You would have to be able to.
These boys got they work done together. Same place.
Team Chevy, they all one squad. Well, you Ford, bad boys.
Yep.
Ford straight. Uh-oh. Whoa. This shit got green. I'm gonna start down. Come on up with the suits tonight.
They serious. They cool.
Alright. I'm really gonna hear this one.
I know it ain't that making it.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, it's him.
SDI. Subaru.
It's him.
But you gotta put way too much money in upgrading that turbo. Look at these dudes. Look, they don't know what they looking at. They both just stuck. Hey guys. Hey guys, YouTubers. Hey YouTubers. What you guys looking at? What kind of car is that you looking at? Y'all don't even know what y'all looking at. Y'all don't even know what it is though. Both of y'all just y'all was stuck. You don't even know what this is.
You know what? I'm gonna show you.
Richie!
Hey, man.
Look at you! What G in though? What generation?
Skyline?
That's the first thing.
I knew that though.
First,
I knew that already.
Yeah.
I knew what it was.
Hey, it's a real one too. You see what side it's on?
Yeah.
Hey, do you see what side it's on? It's a real one.
I mean, I was trying to look at it, but this caught my attention.
Oh, it caught me too.
It's like my thing.
You better put a big block in there and get one.
He driving on the right side.
That means the true Japanese version. These was illegal in the United States forever. They just
Ain't they?
allowed some of them over here last
I was
year.
gonna say, ain't they still illegal?
They allowed some last year.
what?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They was banned in America to be the true Japanese.
I said, brother, you don't want to see me in this. I don't know what that is, boy.
Speaking of racing, your boy tried to come get me.
Who?
On the
Oh,
highway.
did he?
He tried his best to come get me. But we had nowhere to run.
Yeah, it was kind of traffic.
Oh boy was like, hey, he want to run you. I said, well, what time? I'm ready, bro. Don't please don't do it. I said, I owe him money anyway. Like, why would you do this? No disrespect, but most disrespect.
That talent that I,
Yeah, I'm coming.
I didn't caught on.
Yeah, coming.
Yeah.
Do my dog like that on camera.
Go get it. And record.
He wasn't even ready. He ain't know.
Yeah.
I ain't know you
He
were
wasn't even ready.
I hope I'm there to see that.
Double tap and all that now.
Yeah.
You had to come back and forth.
Make these things. This right here. Dash though. Like GTS.
Like turn screen, go deep first. Go in a second. Real 2,500 pounds. Oh, it's a red eye. Unless you paint it.
It might be a red eye.
Man, I'm not gonna ask.
Got the rims. One way to the next.
I hope they ain't see it.
Alright, YouTube, man, that's gonna be it for this video. Man, it's been a long day. I'm tired and I still gotta go to work. But we can't complain, man. If we want to get somewhere, man, we gotta grind. But you know, if I want to get in what I want to get in, I gotta work, man. So I gotta go bust that clock down. Oh, but man, that's gonna be it for this video, man. It's a two-part. It's the second part, second meet we pulled up to out here in Fort Worth. It's actually pretty packed out here. A lot of cars, a lot of cars. What y'all gonna see, man? That red eye, man. That wide body. I'm not gonna lie, that's my first time actually seeing that car in person. Besides like on videos and pictures online and stuff like that. That's my first time actually seeing it. Them rims is sick. There was another dude out here, he had some red eye replicas. Them was nice, but I'm not gonna talk y'all ear off, man. That's gonna be it for this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share my channel, y'all friends and family, man. Let them know, man. We on this grind of 500 subs, man. Share me on all social medias. All my social media links will be down below. Instagram. I'll put my Snapchat and my Twitter. Y'all hit me up, man. Hey, it's your boy Zaytoven, and I'm out.